Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to add the border to your images on your LibreOffice writer on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to add a border to the image on your LibreOffice writer, just going to show in this video. For that, I just going to take an image as an example. It's a lot of my thumbnail images for my YouTube videos. So I just pick an image here. So I just need to have the border. As I said, you have this option on the top here. You can just select the border style first. You just need to enable the border. So just click on the border option. Here you have this option called outer border. Click this, so you can find a line around the image. Now just come to the border style. So you can just choose which border style you just needed, and also the border color can be choose. So right click for the more information. Just right click here and click on the properties. After clicking on the properties, bring it on the side. Now you have a lot of options. Just click on the border option. Here you have this option first for thickness. I just go with 4.5. You can see how it's heavy the border size will be, and also you can just change the style of the border, like dots or double line. Just go with this double line here, and also the color can be choose and click OK. Now you can find the border. If you just need to have a heavy border, just right click here, go to the properties, then just go to the border options, and here you can just change a custom border. So I can make it the point by as a 6. So it's actually a huge thing, and click on OK. Now you can see the border visibility. So this is how you just create a photo frame or borders for your image in your LibreOffice writer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.